This is an educational training video about checking the operation and calibration of a chlorinator analyzer and chart recorder on a cruise ship. This video is part of Task 7.4, developed by the Horizon Europe project Healthy Sailing. A chlorinator is a device that automatically doses chlorine into a water system for disinfection. On cruise ships, dosing is carried out using liquid sodium hypochlorite for disinfection and acid for pH control, both regulated by an electronic analyzer. The analyzer transmits the chlorine and pH values electronically for documentation onto a paper recording chart. Initial steps. Before taking any measurements at the chlorinator, be sure you have a properly calibrated test kit. Remember, verify the accuracy of the test kit using the secondary standards or a buffer solution from the kit manufacturer, compared to their values on the certificate provided. Only use reagents that are unexpired and provided by the test kit manufacturer. Keep all vials and components clean and in good condition. Step 1. Find the sampling tap. Locate the nearby water sample collection tap. This is where you will fill the sample vial or bottle to perform the measurements. Step 2. Note down the analyzer's value. At the moment the water sample is collected, take note of the free chlorine value displayed on the analyzer screen. This value will be compared to your manual test value later. Fill the sample vial with water from the sample tap and adjust the water level to the fill line. Write down the displayed value from the analyzer at the time the sample bottle was filled. Step 3. Measure free chlorine. Cover the vial and dry the exterior surfaces, place in the kit holder, and perform the zero test on the kit. Always use water from the sampling tap for the initial zero setting and the final analysis test. Make sure that you match the reagent to the test range set on the test kit. Then add the reagent, crush and stir with the stick until fully dissolved. Cover the vial and make sure there are no bubbles in the solution. Then insert into the test kit and press the test button. The kit will display the free chlorine value. Record this value to compare it with the recorded value of the analyzer. Step 4. Evaluate results. The first item to check is that the measured free chlorine values fall within acceptable limits. If readings are outside this range, take immediate corrective actions. Step 5. Compare results. Compare your measured free chlorine value with the analyzer's displayed value. The difference in values should be no more than plus or minus 0.2 milligrams per liter. If this difference exceeds plus or minus 0.2 milligrams per liter, you should calibrate the chlorinator analyzer according to the instructions of the manufacturer. Write down the calibration results on the chart or a separate log. Checking the operation and calibration of pH analyzer. Follow steps 2 through 5 again to manually measure the pH in the water sample and compare that value to the one displayed on the analyzer. The goal for pH is 7.0 to 7.8, and a difference between the manual test and analyzer of plus or minus 0.2. Thank you for watching this educational training video about checking the operation and calibration of a chlorinator analyzer and chart recorder on a cruise ship, which is part of Task 7.4 and developed by the Horizon Europe project Healthy Sailing.